So we got a 2021 Chevy Z71 Trail Boss, I think. Yeah, Trail Boss. Yeah, really nice truck. All decked out. I like these trucks. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there as usual. Then they don't come with a third converter no more. So everybody smile and like that comments. Yay! Anyways, so he ordered the kit through Chevy. This is the Chevy's way of a performance kit. It's called the BORLA Touring Edition. They make it just for the Chevy dealership, I guess. I don't know if you can order it online or not. We'll see if we can get you a kit, a price for it, I mean. But it goes from this joint all the way back 3-inch. And then you get this massive, and it's massive, muffler, like 3 hands full, and my hands are huge. See that, guys? And then it wides out. And when they put it on, it didn't fit right, so that he brought it to us. And we fixed it for him. We had to do a little minor tweaks here and there to make it fit. And it comes with quad tips right there and right there, as you guys can see. So there it is. There how it looks under there. That's where it wides out. It wides out of the muffler. Comes out on this side there. And then it goes down and over. It's all right. I've seen better. Well, I'm not gonna say anything. I just did. That's what it sounds like. That's throaty. I like it. Sounds good. Let you guys hear. Give it sound decibels. About 92, 93. It doesn't look half bad. I like the dual tips on it. It's growing on me. BORLA Touring Edition. So that's the ones that GM gets, or Chevy, when you order a special performance kit for it, for the truck. That's what they'll get to put on. It's a BORLA Touring. Not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. The BORLA Touring Edition. That's their Chevy's performance package, part of it. And then an intake comes in too. They put an intake on it.